Here we go. Finally on to the next route. Using my class ticket again. Alright, let's start off with ice climbers, shall we? Okay.
.8.
Yeah, 0.8 to start us off. Oh, the Great Bay stage? Oh yeah, with the only link. I know how this art goes. Now for Wolf, I actually think he's a pretty fun villain character to actually play against. To actually play with. But I think I'm like moderate with him. Oh, that's another point here. In gameplay, so yeah. Michi, okay. Oh yeah, you damage yourself. Oh my gosh, alright. His forward smash isn't actually that bad, but he takes like a bit. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Almost SD. Up smash. Which that's just the best option. But you know me, I'm going to have to go for the front smash. And I hit it, so that's... Look at the style of the game. And that's it. .6. Ooh, okay. Ooh, Squirrel! Stop! It's only 7.2! Oh. Dude, I haven't got a single hit of him yet. Oh, whoops, sorry. Okay, I think I hit him. That whoops, sir. And with that forward smash. Super stoked, let's go. There we go. .7, 7.9, okay. You know what, if we don't get final round in 9.9, that's fine. Oh, that's fine. It won't be that embarrassing. Metal shift. Yeah, baby. Oh, okay. That was actually pretty good. 0.9, 8.8. That's fire. Oh my god. This guy. Yeah, we're not going to be getting final round in 9.9, but that's fine. We don't need it anyways. Get over here. Looks like I'm going to be at 9.7 or 9.6. Final round 9.6. Okay, that's fine. I'll totally take that all day. It's one intensity lower than Xenon with 7 and Fireball 999, but I don't care.
Yeah, don't do Wolf 9.9 right now on YouTube.
Why?
Just because it takes longer. Just do it at night.
Well, yeah. Well, I'll upload it when the tuning 9.9 is uploaded. Because I love to spread out my 9.9s, you know, so I can keep them in order. Ooh, okay. Okay. So I'm not risking it. Well, I did.
It's still gonna be 9.9 now.
Yeah, it's fine. I don't know why I did that. I should have done that original way, but it's fine. Alright, Gallon, here we go.
How is Galley in this final boss?
He wasn't in Smash 4. He was in Brawl, though.
Wait, does Villager have Master and a Crazy Hand?
Yeah. He does.
When was the last time we had Master and a Crazy Hand?
On the Kari's route. Counter encounters, and looks like I'm killing Galleon. It's going to be first attempts.
Now you're really killing him. Oh, he's turning mad now. Yeah, that's quick. Yep, that's it. GG. GG, Galleon. You never stayed champ.
And Wolf 9.9, the
Let's
first attempt of the
freaking
day.
go.
Oh, yes.
Let's
Smash
fucking
Brawl
go.
characters are done.
Let's fucking
Let's go.
Let's fucking go.
1,922,000? I'll take that. I'll take that high score despite the bonus, man. I'll take that all day. That's really high.
Villager's next.
Alright, we're done with the Smash Brawl characters. And the third one! This is the second time in a row I use a classic on the route. And this is the fifth route I've done it on the first attempt. Let's go, dude. And we're done with the Brawl characters. We're moving on to the Smash 4, 3DS, and Wii U characters. Starting with Villager. Let's go, dude.